In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off end-to-end encryption in Messenger app on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Messenger app. Once it is done, first off we need to enter a conversation. After that, tap right here at person's name, then scroll down a bit and tap at go to secret conversation. Now it says that this particular conversation is end-to-end encrypted and the messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. To start secured conversation, we need just to send a first message. In this way, now we have end-to-end encrypted conversation with that particular user. However, if we go back to our chats list, we can see that now we have two conversations with that user. The first one is a regular one, and the second one is end-to-end encrypted. Now, the only way to turn off end-to-end encrypted conversation or to hide it is just to remove that conversation. Just swipe to the left, then tap at more, and then delete. It will ask you, are you sure you would like to delete this entire conversation? Tap at delete. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.